Do you understand English, but you cannot talk about your daily routine? You know simple words, but sentences do not come. You wake up every day. You do many things, but you cannot explain them in English. Your mind knows, but your mouth stays silent. People ask you simple questions. What do you do every day? And you feel nervous. You feel stuck. You feel shy. This happens because you do not practice daily routine English. Stay with me, listen carefully, repeat after me, and talk about your morning routine with confidence. Are you ready? Let us start. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up late. What time do you wake up? When I wake up, I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my body. I take a deep breath. How do you feel when you wake up? I get out of bed. I fold my blanket. I make my bed. I like a clean room. Do you make your bed every day? Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face with water. Do you brush your teeth before or after breakfast? I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I feel fresh. I feel active. How do you feel after washing your face? After that, I take a shower. The water feels good. It wakes me up. I clean my body. Do you take a shower in the morning? After the shower, I dry my body. I wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I use perfume. Do you get ready slowly or fast? Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes I cook. Sometimes I eat simple food. What do you eat in the morning? I have breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink tea. Sometimes I drink milk. What do you drink in the morning? While eating breakfast, I feel relaxed. I enjoy my food. I sit calmly. Do you eat breakfast alone or with family? After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I like a clean kitchen. Do you clean after eating? Then I check my phone. I see messages. I check notifications. I do not waste too much time. Do you use your phone too much in the morning? Sometimes I read news. Sometimes I watch short videos. Sometimes I listen to music. What do you do on your phone? After that, I plan my day. I think about my work. I think about my goals. I prepare. I get ready to leave. I pack my bag. I check my things. I wear my shoes. Do you forget things in the morning? Before leaving, I say goodbye to my family. I take blessings. I feel positive. Do you talk to your family in the morning? After getting ready, I leave my house. I lock the door. I start my journey. How do you leave your house every day? I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. Sometimes the bus is late. Do you wait or feel angry? I get on the bus. I find a seat. Sometimes I stand. Do you like crowded buses? While traveling, I look outside. I think about my day. I listen to music. What do you do while traveling? After some time, I reach my office. I enter the building. I greet people. I say, "Good morning." Do you greet your coworkers? I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I start my work. What is the first thing you do at work? During work, I focus on my tasks. I write. I type. I make plans. Do you work quietly or talk a lot? In the office, I meet my coworkers. We talk. We share ideas. We help each other. Do you like working with people? Sometimes I attend meetings. I sit in the meeting room. I listen carefully. I share my opinion. Do you feel nervous in meetings? In meetings, some people talk a lot. Some people stay silent. I try to speak clearly. Do you speak or stay quiet? After the meeting, I feel confident. I feel relaxed. I go back to my desk. How do you feel after a meeting? At lunchtime, I take a break. I eat lunch. I talk with colleagues. Do you eat alone or with friends? After lunch, I feel a little tired, but I continue my work. I drink water. I stay active. Do you feel sleepy after lunch? In the afternoon, I finish my tasks. I check my work. I prepare for tomorrow. Do you plan ahead? In the evening, I leave the office. I say goodbye. I start going back home. What time do you leave work? Sometimes I meet my friends. We sit together. We talk. We laugh. Do you meet friends after work? With friends, we talk about life. We talk about work. We share stories. How do you feel with friends? Sometimes we drink tea. Sometimes we walk together. Sometimes we just sit and relax. What do you do with your friends? After spending time, I say goodbye to my friends. I start my journey back home. Do you enjoy coming back home? When I reach home, I feel relaxed. I remove my shoes. I wash my hands. What is the first thing you do at home? I change my clothes. I sit on the sofa. I rest for some time. I feel calm. Do you rest or use your phone? In the evening, I spend time with my family. I talk to them. I listen to them. Do you talk to your family every day? At night, I eat dinner. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. What do you eat at night? After dinner, I use my phone. I watch videos. I learn English. Do you practice English at night? Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I read. What relaxes you at night? Before sleeping, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I prepare my bed. Do you prepare your bed? I lie on my bed. I think about my day. I think about good things. I feel thankful. What do you think before sleeping? Finally, I close my eyes. I sleep. I rest my body. I get ready for a new day. Now your practice time. Pause the video and speak about your full day. Morning, office, friends, night. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Make mistakes. It is okay. If you want to speak English confidently, practice every day. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, Subscribe to the channel and comment below. Write, "I can speak about my daily routine." See you in the next video. Keep speaking, keep practicing, never give up.